to you. Give my love to you. All to you. Give my love to you. All to you.
About time to realize. Get yourself together, walk over here, and let me whisper sweet nothings in your ear. Forget about problems, men, and money. Let me pour it on like sweet honey. Good strong loving you can't deny, so don't be shy, give me a try. The things I do will make you quit playing hard to get. Yes, you'll submit. So come on, baby, how do you feel? Cause the love I give is surely real.
Give my love to you.
With every beat of my heart, in hopes we'll never part.
Give my love to you.
And every day I'll strive to keep you satisfied. Now I'll have you saying I'm dynamite. Daydream all day, you sleep at night, thinking about all the things I do to show my love and feelings for you. So hold on tight, don't ever let go. Be Juliet, I'll be Romeo. We'll live like together through thick and thin, cause the love is strong, it will never end. We can live in a mansion off the East Coast, drink Dom Perignon and make it the most. I'll be yours if you'll be mine, and we'll have an affair that's so divine. And when you walk, every breath you take, you'll think about me and the love I make. My name is Shalom, I'm from the heavens above. So come on, fly girl, let me give you my love.
Give my love to you.
I said each and every day,
All to you.
in a warm and affectionate way.
Give my love to you.
Your savage heart I'll tame,
All to you.
because the love I got is no game.
Give my love to you.
With every beat of my heart,
All to you.
in hopes we'll never part.
Give my love to you.
And every day I'll strive
All to you.
to keep you satisfied.
Give my love to you. Give my love. Give my love.
I explain my feelings within my words, and by the tears in your eyes, I know you heard. Think about that sweet proposition. Take your time, make your decision. My love's the best thing you can have in life. I put others on hold if you will be my wife. But if it's my standards that you can't meet, then you will feel the agony of defeat. So hey, pretty lady, I'll understand if all you want is a one-night stand. But tomorrow when you depart, Salam will be written all over your heart.
Give my love to you.
With every beat of my heart, in hopes we'll never part.
Give my love to you.
So you can always be mine until the end of time.
Give my love to you.
Because it's true and sincere, and it's all for you, my dear.
Give my love to you.
And every day I'll strive to keep you satisfied. woman in each and every way. We'll travel the world in 80 days and listen to my records that the people play. We could grow old together, learn from the past, but dig out future, make it a blast. Rock the fever of the Roxy and the Fun House. Move to Manhattan and turn the place out. You'll wear pretty gold and diamonds too. Drive a Benz or BMW. I'll make you a queen in your own right. Plus crown you with my love each and every night. We can spend our summers in Malibu, maybe travel the Bahamas and Paris too. You can have anything you want from above, and still I'll give you all of my love.
Give my love to you.